He is in Dubai. Dubai, no? Jai Krishna. Dubai or here? Where is Jai Krishna? He is in Dubai or in India? India. आपको भी फॉरेन जाने का चांस मिला हो तो किसको during Cisco time South Korea you will work on the project, no? If you work on the project of the client and then you have to work with the team of the client, okay? Or client want to know something more better, client want that you should work in front of them, okay? Or client some multiple parameter will be there, then client will say send the resource here only. Then in that case extra cost will apply. Then client will say no problem, I'm ready to pay that much. Then the resource will go to their place, allowance will come, traveling allowance, this allowance, that allowance, salary will be triple. In India it will be with the dollar, rupees, and there it will be with the dollar. Okay. One person given okay, so hope everyone is logged in. Let's go and create a folder in your system. React. You can create a folder called React. If the folder is already exists, then very good. In folder is
recording
not there,
in progress.
Please create the folder called React. Today internet is required. We have to set up the project. After doing the setup of the project, we will understand step by step everything. But first, project setup is required. Without project setup, we'll not get the initial point. We'll not get the initial point where we should start. So project setup is required. Okay, so React folder is ready. Go under the React folder and open the CMD. In React folder, go to the React folder. Under the React folder, click on the address bar. In the address box on the top, you can click. After that, type here called CMD. CMD and enter. Your CMD will open in which folder? CMD will open under the React folder. Okay. So I will repeat again. I have a React folder. I go to the React folder. You should go to the React folder. And in React folder, on the top address bar, you can see, you can type inside called CMD. And after that, enter. Press enter. So command prompt will open here. Command prompt will open here. Command prompt will open here. Okay. Now check your internet is connected, system is connected or not. Okay. System should be connected with internet, and along with that, whenever you do any kind of installation, during the installation process, like installation is going on, and you will try to change the network. You will feel like my Wi-Fi is not fast, my mobile data is fast. You will change the network. So when you change the network, project will be breakdown. Okay. So when installation is going on, during that time, between that time, we should not change the network. If you change the network, then stop breakdown. Okay. So now first command you need to run. That command will help you to set up the environment for React. First command will help us to set up the environment for React. Once the environment is set up, then we can create the project of React. Okay. And before installation of the environment, check in your system node space -v, node space -v, which version of Node.js is installed. Node space -v. You can ping once in the chat. Node space -v. Which version in your system? You can type once in the chat. Okay, 7 reply came. Let me see what is that. 7% replied, 1% has not replied it. Very good. 18, 18, 16, 19, 20. Okay. It should be 14 plus. 14 plus any version is fine for the React. Okay. Let's go next. Run this command. npm is called Node Package Manager. What is called? Node Package Manager. When you install the Node.js in a system, along with the Node.js, this package will get installed. That is called npm, Node Package Manager. Node Package Manager is going to help you to install any kind of library, any packages from internet without download and here and there. What we do usually, Bootstrap, you remember how you have downloaded? You went to the internet, went to the website, click on download, and then copy, extract here and there, so many things. npm says like, you don't worry, you don't need to go to the website. You give me the name of the package. Give me the name of library which you want to download. Okay. I will search on internet, and wherever I will find, I'll get from there and download and put in your system in a respective folder. Okay. That is called which one? Node.js, no, npm, not Node.js. Node Package Manager. Name itself is saying like, it is the manager of which one? All the packages. Whatever you want to download, just give to npm. npm will search and download and give you. Similar way, we are going to give a task that we are going to inform to the node npm saying like, please install the environment for which one? React. Okay. So what is that? npm Node Package Manager, npm install. npm install. Then question will come, you want to install in one folder or you want to install for the complete system level. That meaning install locally and install globally. So we are going to install not locally. We are going to install globally. So that now you are creating the project in React. Tomorrow you can create the project on desktop. You can create in D drive. You can create in F drive. Wherever you want, you can create the project of React. Okay. So for that you have to give -g. npm install -g means install in my system how globally. Okay. Then what to install? Package then. Create -react -app. npm install -g. Create React app. CREATE React -app. Create React app. Enter. It may take 1-2 minutes or maybe happen fast. based on your internet speed. Based on your internet speed. Okay, happen. Solution done. It will show you in the last this many packages are installed, this many packages looking for funding, this many dependencies updated. So those kind of message we are not going to look into that. It is just kind of a confirmation message or update message. Okay, next after that you will write here. After that you will write here next command npx. Okay, npx. You will follow the npx. Create minus react minus app. npx create. npm become a node package manager in the main manager, you can consider main package, and npx become a sub package inside the package. So with the help of npx, we are going to inform to npx saying like, with the help of create react app, create a project for me. Okay, so again, what is the npx? Npx, you can say, is a sub package of npm. Is a part of which one? npm. Now npx create react app is not under it's you can say, what is that? Underscore, not underscore, hyphen, no, it's called a hyphen. Okay, create hyphen react hyphen app. Next, after that, we will write the project name, project one. So project one will become the folder name. Project one will become the folder name. In that folder name, create react app command will get all the required necessary files and folder from internet and will set up under the project folder. Okay, enter. npx create react app. This command will take 5 minutes based on internet speed. How fast your internet, based on that, it will happen. So hope it's going on. npx. Once it will complete, in the last you will get a message called happy hacking. Once it will get complete, in the last you will get a message called happy hacking. You can reply in the chat. Once it's done, you will get a message called happy hacking. You can let me know in the chat completed. So 2% is done. Happy hacking message will come in the last. Done. This one was the command that you have run. हाँ हेलो 5 बजे 5 कितने बजे चलेंगे 5 मिनट से नहीं जल्दी आ जाएंगे हम्म 2 है उधर हम लोग चलेंगे ठीक है
రాకపోతే నేను తోలుతా
Okay, so everyone done right? Or have error in the aborting installation. Internet will be problem only. There will not be another problem. Internet only. If internet is slow, then there will be error. If internet will be slow, then there will be error. I think if you are trying in the Mac, then you have to use the sudo. In the Mac, you have to use the sudo. The first command was this command, and second command was this command. npx create react app, this one. That here. So first command has helped you to set up the environment, and second command has helped you to set up the which one? So let's go and create one text file anywhere in your system. Give the file name called React Developer Guide. Create a file in your system, text file, give the file name React Developer Guide. Any text editor you can use, React Developer Guide. Okay. You have Mac. Inside the Mac, you have to run through sudo command. If you are running the Mac, in Mac, you have to run through the sudo command. That installation, I hope you know. In Mac, it asks the sudo. With help of sudo command, you may have to run it. Sudo, then npx or npm. So developer guide is ready. Okay. This file is important. We have to create the developer guide, and in this developer guide we have to write all the nodes related, installation related, multiple type of packages will install with a step-by-step guide, and everything will be under this file. That is called React Developer Guide. Okay. So first to write a command on the top line, how to set up project in React. How to set up the project in React. How to set up the project in React. Next, after that, right below, step number one, install Node.js from nodejs.org official website. Number two, create a folder as 𝕷𝖊𝖆𝖗𝖏𝖚. Create a folder called 𝕷𝖊𝖆𝖗𝖏. So today we have created the folder. What is the folder name? React, correct? So what I'm trying to say is, when you are creating the project React, it should be in a separate folder, so that inside the folder you can keep some developer guide, you can keep some API folder, all the assets will be one place. So under the React folder, what we did, we run the command. Now, so what we follow, create a folder as React. Step number 3, run below command 2 Okay, so run below command to set up environment. Run the below command to set up the environment. So we run this command npx npm install -u create React app. Next step number 4, run below command to install new project. This is the one command, and this is the second command. Okay, hope done. Next, after that, I'll write for node on success of step number 4. On the success of step number 4, it will show message as happy hacking. Now step number 5. CD your project folder name. Step number 6. Run below command to run below command to run below command to run below command to start React server. So till step number 4 we have done. Step number 5 and 6 is pending. That is called npm start. If compiled successfully, then open browser and open URL in browser. Open http://localhost:3000 in browser. This is one complete guide of set up a project and start the server. Set up the project and starting the server. Written. Let us next see now. Okay, done. So till 4 number we have done. 5 and 6 is pending, correct? So go to the CMD, and in CMD, if you feel like there is a lot of content, we have a command for CLS. Remember CLS. CLS enter. So all will be clean. Then CD project 1. CD project 1 enter. You are under project 1 now. You have to write like npm start. npm start. npm start, enter. Okay, so hope compilation is going on. After compilation, once it will get compiled successfully, your browser will open automatically, and in that taking long time. Like stuff for me somewhere. Stuff. Already start once. Compiled. So hope for everyone this like this only. After compilation, you got a page like this. Okay, so for 3 people appear like this. 4, 5, 6. So this is the default landing page of your React. Once you do set up the project, and after that, once you do the compilation, then this way you will get the landing page of React. Now from here, entire R&D starts. You need to find where is this page, where is it coming from, how it is coming, what is it written, correct, how to modify, problem will come, how to fix, automatically will come under the. Okay, now open your VS Code. So the CMD is a live server of React, and if you will stop the CMD, that meaning your server will be stopped. Then this page will not work. The page will become blank again. Okay. So every time, whenever you want to see the output of your project, you need to go to the project folder, open the CMD, and inside you need to write npm start. Once npm start executed successfully, then this page will, you can say it's compiled successfully, then your default landing page, whichever we have, that will come. Open your VS Code. And in VS Code, you have to load the file. Inside the file, you have option called open folder. Go to the open folder. Project 1 and click on select folder. So project 1 folder will get loaded here. Load that file also. Which file? Developer guide. There is option called open file. You can go to the open file and call. That file will get opened here. Okay, so folder structure you can see. Inside the folder, there is a many folders, node modules, public, SRC. If you look into the node modules, click once in the node modules. Okay. These all are the libraries. These all are the library that is required for the React and Angular. Come next. Public folder. In public folder, you will find one index.html file. Click on that. In public folder index file, click on that. So throughout the React project, you will get only one HTML file. Remaining all will be JavaScript file. What we are going to create and what is already exist. All will be as a JS file. Only one HTML. How this file will work, I will guide you. First, in this file, there is some extra code. Can you see the comment code is there? Green block. Delete all the comment code. Delete all the commented lines so that code will be small and you will understand what is the useful and what is useless. Comment I will remove from here. Okay, remove unnecessary code. Let us see next. So in this folder, this file is required. That is called index.html. Come next, src folder. In src folder, you will find some CSS file also, as well as some JS file also. So one JS file you have called app.js and one file you have called index.js. First you click on app.js. Okay. In app.js, in the beginning there is a two-line import. What is that? Not sure what is the purpose and why it's calling. That code is not written by us. Okay. So we will discuss what is the meaning of import, what is the meaning of export. But for now, you delete this two line. Delete the import line. Come down. You can see a division. Under the division, many things are written. Under the return, remove everything, all the HTML tag, and write here one line, H1, welcome to React. Welcome to React. Okay. Operator React. Welcome to React. Save the file. After that, go to the browser. No need to run this file. Just directly go to the browser. You will find welcome to React. Your page may have refresh automatically. If not, then refresh again. Hope everything same for everyone or something else. No error. Now this is a big point to understand, right? We have written before HTML code separate. JavaScript code also we have written. Under the JavaScript we have written HTML inside single quote or double quote. Do you remember? In double quote we write H1 H2 something under the Java data binding. Yesterday you have written it. But here you can see H1 is rule 3. There is no any problem of double quote or single quote. It return directly written the HH. So this code is called JSX. What is called JSX? JSX. JavaScript and XML. Okay. So we have to study first how to write JSX. How to write JSX. Then only you can write any line here. If you write any line without knowing the implementation of JSX, you will do the wrong. You will do the wrong. And every time it will be the error. Every time will be the error. So our first priority will be to understand the JSX. Now let's understand few things. Then we'll come to the lesson. I'm not guiding the folder description. Okay, this is the file where something we modified and it reflects in the browser. That means this is a file from their output as well. Now in this file H1 we have written, we will write some more things. Paragraph, division, something we will write and we will come to know where it's getting paid and where it's getting passed. Okay, based on that we'll decide further and we'll write the rule regulation of JSX. Okay. H1 is written, it is working. Come down below, write the paragraph saying like this is from beta. You can see error here. H1 was written, there is no problem. Paragraph you written problem. Okay. See in the browser error. If you remove the H1, then paragraph will work happily. Remove H1, paragraph will work successfully. Working paragraph. But when you write H1, again it will become fail. Let me write here. I wrote here H1, become a fail again. It looks like in one forest only one line. something on you? It is not the problem of H1, it is not the problem of paragraph, it is not our mistake and it is not HTML mistake. Okay? Since the JavaScript code you are writing, it is not JavaScript. Even it is not HTML. It is a combination of both JavaScript as well as HTML. But from one side JavaScript is coming, and from one side HTML is coming, and from one side XML is coming. The three things is combined here. HTML and JavaScript has to combine based on rule regulation of XML. Based on rule regulation of XML. And XML says, brother, in one page, if you want to print one element, you have full freedom to print it. But if you write more than one element, then I need to know you both belong to where. That is called who is your parent. Just if one means fine, you are the super fine. Okay, you run it. But more than one element, then where you came from? Who are you both? Okay, so it is saying like it is not the problem of H1 and H2 paragraph. It is the problem of regulation of XML. So XML says like in one page, one H1 is okay, you can write. But if you write more than one, then I will follow the rule regulations. I will apply the rule regulations. What we have to do? In one page, only one element, okay. But more than one element, it must be inside a parent element. Parent can be anything. Parent can be anything. You try like this and then see your page is working or not. Okay, look into the browser, you will find H1 will also come and paragraph will also come. You can refresh the page manually without pressing, refresh it. H1 will also come, paragraph will also come. Okay, let's go next. Now, when we have done the division, it is working. So, is that necessary that the parent tag will be only predefined tag? Like division is a predefined tag. Okay, so we made the parent tag as a predefined tag. Okay, right? So, is that necessary that parent tag will be only predefined tag? No such necessary. Okay, parent tag can be integer defined tag also. So let's go here and try creating your own tag. Suppose I will write here called ABC and I'll try to close in the last call ABC. ABC nowhere is a predefined tag, it is a user. Right, it will work. Add one more paragraph. It will feel like really interesting. This is working. So ABC also giving C. Three paragraph is coming. Next question is the parent tag. Any other option is also there? Yes, third option is also there. You can leave as empty. you can keep parent as the empty tag. Write your short paragraph and understand the happening or not. This is working. Okay. Come next. Right? Next after this, so how many options we got? 3. First, when we write any line in React HTML code, one line if you have a requirement, okay. One tag if you have requirement, okay, you write it. If you have a requirement of more than one tag, then it must be inside a parent tag. Okay. Parent tag can be any tag, predefined tag. Parent tag can be user defined tag. Parent tag can be empty tag. Correct? One more solution we have. Hope you remember in JavaScript, when we create array, we create like this. We follow a square bracket. Inside that, we write for apple, we write for mango, we write for suppose something. Okay. You can see in this example. You can see in this example. Array. After every element there is a comma. Whereas last comma is optional. We can give also, we can leave. Come up now. The parent element can be array also. Parent element can be array also. There parent element can be array also. Where you can see a square bracket open and close. After that, inside whichever the tag we have written, all the tags considered as an element. How we are written apple, mango, banana, orange, grapes and all. Similar way, H1 is one element, paragraph is another element, And definitely between first and second element, what is required? Comma is required. After third element, comma is required. After fourth element, comma is not required. Correct? But this is the complex. When you are creating the dynamic pages, where and where you will add the comma. Okay. How many tags will get generated will not come to know. Where one comma is missed out, error will come. So this method is not useful. Remaining which one? Three. Either predefined tag as a parent, or empty tag as a parent, or user defined tag as a parent. Those three are useful. In that three also, higher priority predefined tag. Second priority empty tag. And third priority user defined tag. Okay, so we will follow most of the time predefined tag, and where we will find CSS conflict is happening, there we will use the empty tag. Okay, and sometimes we will find both are making problem, then we will follow the user. Okay, right? So while writing the JSX, we have to follow these four rules. Okay. If inside a component more than one element are required, then parent element is compulsory. The parent element can be predefined tag. The parent element can be user defined tag. The parent element can be empty tag, and the parent element can be which one? Array. Okay. Clear or not clear? See, you are in that batch, no? Which one? 3:30. Wait for some time. This is running class. You can sit there. On reception side, that there is sofa, you can sit there. At 3:30. Okay. Next, after this, only 2% is clear. Let me ask now. So, for example, start from alphabets Abhinaya. So, what you understood by this all already? Tell me. During this entire discussion, we discussed something what you understood. Anything you understood? Then tell me what
Yes,
you understood.
sir.
What you understood in that?
We can use HTML using 4 tags: user defined, predefined, empty tag, and also array.
Okay.
We can define all HTML.
Name to whom I should ask this. Shivani Balaskar. You understood anything? Shivani, can hear me? Able to hear? Look like she is not there. Okay, let's go. the first 10 class of the year, if you not learn in the serious mode, if you not attend in the serious mode on system, after 10 class it will be only surprise. After 10 class only it will be surprise. Okay, so it's happened like this also. So write it. 20 class I'll make you very good in there. Huh? Okay. So he came for that batch, right? Okay. Okay. Let's go now. Next, after that, so come. What you have written? Write for JSX. Inside the JSX, JavaScript and XML you can write. JavaScript and XML. JavaScript and XML. Why I wrote? Because JSX equal to, you have to write JavaScript code, plus you have to write HTML code, plus we have to follow the XML rules. Okay. Because of that is called the JavaScript and XML. HTML plus JavaScript we have to combine along with which one? XML rule regulations. Right below the 4 rules of XML. In that, 3 rules are applicable in React. The 4 rules of XML. First line, every XML file, every XML not file, every XML document, or we can change it in every XML file doc type declaration is required. That is not necessary under the React. So that is not required under the React when you are writing the rule of XML. That first rule is not required under the React. Second point says in XML all the tags are user defined. In the XML, all the tags are user defined. All the tags are user defined. All the tags are user defined. Now, what is the meaning of user defined? Look at here. In your page,
actually, I'm
when you have written like this,
thank you.
When you have written like this, ABC, is that predefined tag? No. It is a user defined. Suppose over here, maybe I'll write here tag for name. Call. I wrote mine. Next, after that, if I run this file, you can see in the browser, it is printing as well. Then question is where is name? Name is nowhere predefined.
Hello.
XYZ I wrote here. XYZ I wrote here. When I look into the browser, you will find still it is working, correct? So this is not manually what we wrote. There is some certain rule regulation for that. So where it come from, so that we can create our own tag. That is not the something else. It is the rule of XML says like in XML file, all the tags are user defined. So what we are doing here, We are taking the rule regulation from the XML while writing the JSX, so that we have created our own tags. Third point. Okay. XML tags are case sensitive. Case sensitive. What that represent? It represent like ABC and ABC are different. ABC and ABC are different. Both are not same. Why? Because you can see this is starting from the uppercase and this is ending with the here A is upper and here A is lower. Both are not same. That is called as a case sensitive. Look at your app.js. Suppose not only predefined user-defined tag. Suppose if I go for the predefined tag also, I start the paragraph in uppercase and I close the paragraph in lowercase. When I look into the browser, you will find it is saying like JSX rule regulation is failed. You can see here unexpected corresponding JSX closing element. So both are not same, both are different. Whether you follow the user defined or predefined, both are different. Point number 4, you can write every XML document should have only one parent element. Let me write as a parent element. Every XML document should have only one parent element. Now in this out of 4, whatever we have written, point number 1 you leave that because that is not required in India. Look at the point number 2 says like in XML all the tags are user defined. So we wrote one tag just now for which one? XYZ was working. Second one, XML tags are case sensitive. You saw ABC P was open small, I close capital, error happened. That is also required under the React. Third one says like every XML doc should have only one parent tag. Look into your app.js file. How many parent tags are open? Only one. Suppose instead of that, I open the div and I will close the div here. So how many parent? Only one. If by mistake, if you not open the parent and close the parent, then there is 100% against the rule of which one? XML. 100% the against the rule of which one? XML. Okay, and after that, it will say here JSX frequent mismatch, and after that, it will not work. It will show the error here. Saying like second one, what you have written, it's an illegal element. Okay. So for that, correct. So hope this 5 point is clear what we have written. Now we will convert the same thing under the JSX rule. What rule you have written under the XML? So that is the XML rule, and you implemented here where on app.js file. You saw error was happening, it was working and not working, all you broke. Now you need to write the next one in React. When we are going to write, people will ask you, tell me and explain me the rule of JSX. What are those? So what you will explain? Rules of JSX. Rules of JSX. Before writing the rules of JSX, some other thing to know. Now look at here. In this file, app.js file. If you remember your JavaScript, this is called a function. Function open, function close, and this is the body of the function where we used to write something like this. Document dot get element by ID something we follow, or we collect content and we return it. Okay. So in React, what is that? When we look into this file, it is just a function, like it is JavaScript function. Okay. Not like it is a JavaScript function. Okay. Where you are combining HTML, JavaScript code as well as which one? XML. So in the term of React, you will not call it a function. We will not call it a function. We will call it a component. What we will call? Component. Okay. If you are saying yes, it is a component, then how it look like? Function of JavaScript. What it is returning? HTML. It is returning is what? HTML. It is a combination of JavaScript, HTML, and XML, all three. Let me go on internet and write here one line called component in React. Components are independent and reusable bits of code. Independent and reusable bits of code. Reusability, what is that? Suppose if I say this is a function, in JavaScript, how you call the function? You call the function like this. You call one time. If you call one more time, what is the problem? Any problem? No problem. If you call one more time, what is the problem? Any problem? No problem. This is called function reusability. This is called what? Function reusability. But the problem in React, we are not using this function. We have written here, but we are using somewhere else. That I'll guide you where we are here. Okay. So component is nothing but it is a bits of reusable code. That is called what? A small code reusable. Which means what? A small code reusable code. Okay. That line is there. Reusable code. They serve the same as the purpose of JavaScript function. Right? It's working like the same as what? JavaScript function. But work in isolation and return what? What you are returning in a component? HTML. Component come in two types. We can write class based. That is gone from market. Okay. Class component. Another one we have called functional component. That is called the hooks. Functional component is called what? Hooks. So we can write the component using two methods, class based as well as function based. So what we are following, it is not class based. It is called a function based. Functional component is useful in market since last 2 years. Okay. So today we here only. See you tomorrow again. We will write the rule of the JSX, and from there, after writing the rule of the JSX, I'll show you the flow of this folder. Node folder is there, public folder is there, SRC folder is there. Okay. What is the structure of React project, and where you will call the API, where you will write the code, where it will execute. If you are creating your own file, where you will create and how to link it. Okay. That after writing the rule of JSX, I will design a photo. Through the photo, I'll explain you complete. It will be fixed in your mind. Yes, this is the flow, and based on same flow, we will start creating the file and keep that. Okay. So first 10 class will be
Recording stopped.
backbone of your Java. So if you are React. First 10 class if you are here and there. After 10 class, remaining 10 class will be just a surprise. Where is came, where is when, you will feel like better logout. So better suggestion is be regular. Okay. Thank you. First 10 class compulsory. You must be regular. Okay. Recording will be there. Recording will come in website, in our website from there. Okay. Is it going online today? 𝕷𝖊𝖆𝖗𝖓𝖏 330. Open your VS Code. Open the Visual Studio. After that, go to the file and click on Open Folder and select your HTML folder. Select the HTML folder.